first session you have learned what are matrices, what is the order of a matrix, and what are the different types of matrices. Now, in this session, I will teach you what is the equality of matrices and operation of matrices, addition and subtraction operation, as well as what is additive inverse. Equality, say A is a matrix with element A11, A12, and B is another matrix. Now when A matrix A equal to matrix A, first for equality the order of both the matrices should be same. The order of A matrix A is 3 by 3 and the order of matrix B is also 3 by 3. If the order of both the matrices are same, then only the question of equality of two matrices comes. Now, when A and B will be equal, when Aij equal to Bij for all Aij belongs to A and for all Bij belongs to B, where Aij is the ith row and jth column element of A and Bij equal ith and jth column. Matrix B. What does it mean? It means all the corresponding element of both the matrices are equal. It means Aij is Bij. What does it mean? It means A11 equal to B11, A12 equal to B12, A13 equal to B13. I have represented the element by Aij, means ith row and jth columns element. What is A11? A11 is first row and first column element of matrix A is equal to first row and first column element of matrix B. Second column element of matrix A is equal to first row and second column element of matrix B. Similarly, first row and third column element of matrix A equal to first row and third column element of matrix B. Like this, A33 equal to B33. That is, all corresponding elements, if all corresponding elements are equal of same order two matrices, at that point, at that time we can say the matrix A is equal to matrix B. I think it is clear to you. What is the addition and subtraction operation of a matrix? Again, let A equal to A is a matrix with the element A11, A12, A13, and the matrix B with the elements B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B2. So, what does it mean by addition and subtraction operation of a matrix? That is A plus B or A plus minus B. First I am showing A plus B. What is A plus B? A plus B will be also a matrix. First thing is that the precondition of addition or subtraction of two matrices is both the order of both the matrices would be same. Here the order of a matrix A is 3 by 3 and the order of matrix B is 3 by 3. That is, since both the order of both the matrices are same, that is why addition is possible. Addition and subtraction is possible. Now what would be the addition and subtraction? A1 2 plus B1 2 A1 3 plus B1 3. So what is the addition? Addition is nothing but the corresponding element of matrix A is added to the corresponding element of the matrix B. That is A11, that is the first row and first column element, it is added to the first row and first column element of the matrix B, and so on. So in generalized form we can write A plus B, matrix A plus B equal to Aij plus Bij, where Aij is the ith row and jth column element of matrix A and Bij is the ith row and jth column element of matrix B. Now what is the subtraction? Subtraction is nothing. In addition we are adding, in subtraction we are subtracting the element of matrix B from matrix A. That plus sign will be replaced by minus sign or a good sign. That is the subtraction. I think up to this it is clear. So how we can add two matrices? First precondition is that the order of both the matrices will be same, and then corresponding elements are to be added or subtracted. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse, it means additive inverse if B is additive inverse of A of matrix A, then A plus B equal to null matrix. So what does it mean? When a matrix B would be additive inverse of a matrix A, in generalized form we can write when Aij equal to minus of Bij. That is, if the value of A11 is 5, then value of B11 would be minus 5. Then if we add A11 plus B11, it would be 0. Similarly, if the value of A12 is 7, then the value of B12 would be minus 7. The resultant, that is the after addition, the matrix, the element will be 0. So what would be the inverse? Inverse is nothing. The absolute value of the inverse matrix would be same, but sign will be negative. That is, it would be the negative of, that is, B is nothing, B equal to minus of A. Then we can treat B as the additive inverse of A. I think in second session I am completing here. I will be giving the home tasks.